Good day. Today we're going to do a short video about how to do a license activation for our new product, the Core HL7 Postmaster. We're not going to go over any functionality or anything like that, just license activation, both manual and online. So we'll assume that you visited our website and downloaded the Core HL7 Postmaster and installed it on your computer or server. Now when you start the Postmaster for the first time, you're going to be presented with this screen telling you that there's no license or a license exception. You can click this button. It'll show you what's wrong. In this case, there's no license file. So we need to activate a license. First, we're going to go through online activation. So I can say, what do I want to activate? Is it a license I've purchased or a demo? I'm going to say I want to activate a license I've purchased. I want to do online activation, and I click OK. Now I have to enter my credentials. This is my Hermitech account information. And if you don't have a Hermitech account, just click here. It'll take you to our website. And if you forgot your password, you can click here. I do a login, and it will show me all the licenses that I own for the Postmaster. I choose the one that I want and click the activate button. Now, if I've gotten to this point, it's actually going to work. Now, a very important thing here is this your note field, which I have to enter. And we'll say Northland DHB. So I can choose the license that I want to activate, do that, and it will activate the license. Like I said, if you get to this point, it's going to work because it is able to get out through the internet. It's downloaded your licenses, etc. So that's online activation. Next, I'm going to do manual activation. And for that, you're going to need your Core License Manager. Let me just minimize this down a little bit. You can download this again from our website. It's all over the place. It's in the online help, etc. When you log in, you'll see the Core products that you have. Now, you can only do manual activation for a real license. You can't do manual activation for a demo license. That requires online. So let's say that I want to activate a Core Postmaster Enterprise. Well, what I have to do is, again, start here. Say I want to activate a license I've purchased, manual activation, and it says I don't have an activation key and need to create an activation request. I click OK, and it's going to tell me that it's on the clipboard. So I could take what's in the clipboard, I could go paste it into a new text document, or since I've got the license manager running on the same computer, I can just leave it on the clipboard. So I can go to here and say, choose the license I want, and say activate. First thing it says is an activation request is required. I'm going to say the activation request is on the clipboard. Click OK. It tells me my activation request is valid. And again, it says put in the your note field. And this will become apparent in a minute. Let's say, we'll do the same one. And you click activate your license. Now what's going to happen next is the license is activated, and I can retrieve the license activation key from the installations tab in the main window. So I can that, the license will refresh, and there it is. There's the installations tab for my enterprise license. It's Northland DHB, and it was just activated today, June 6th. Okay, so now I can retrieve the license key. To do that, I click the help button, retrieve the license key from my account, download the key, and now I can either copy to the clipboard or I can export it to a file. If your license manager is running on a different computer and you have to transfer files back and forth, then you do this. I'm just going to copy it to the clipboard. I'm done with this. Now I'm back to here again. Let's say I want to activate a license. I want to go through manual activations, and I have an activation key on the Windows clipboard. And I click OK. Tells me my license has been imported and saved. And that's it. It's an empty Postmaster ready to start. And that's how easy it is to activate a license for the core HL7 Postmaster.